Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So I want to drop this very quick Bitcoin update because I think talking about Bitcoin is going to be important. So we've seen Bitcoin making red in the past 3 days, and the whole market kind of corrected a little bit. Some of them went 20%, 30%, and there are different numbers that were there for the correction in the market. But I don't really think that Bitcoin is going to make some very big dumps the way it used to do. And even I understand that halving is around the corner. There could be chances of that halving drop happening as well. Even Bitcoin is kind of uh, if you look at the RSI right over here, it's actually up, but the RSI is not being respected anymore. It has been disrespected for a very long time now. So I don't know if considering RSI right now is even any worthy of looking at it. But the thing is, I told you that there's $85,000 of Bitcoin technical target, and that's actually this rounded bottom that you see right here. Do you see that? That thing takes you up to $85,000. So it's very hard to even say. Now, listen, yes, you do have reason for actually dropping down, okay? The way the market has pumped, you may have a reason to actually drop big time. There could be that chance, but I don't really think or see a chance like that. Even though if it ever happened, it's a no-brainer at this point. Everything is super pumped. So if the market wants to go down, it has the reason to go down. But again, logically, there's some few reasons. Number one is $85,000 actually on the cards. Maybe if you do drop from $85,000, that's a very strong area to drop down to. Secondly, is that Bitcoin may be actually retesting the previous all-time high that it actually broke out of. So if I show you this and extend it like that, look, support and resistance, simple support and resistance, nothing much, nothing less. Zoom in here, Bitcoin really failed to break. So rejection, move down, rejection, move down. Okay. And now you broke it out. You went to nearly 73,000, making new all-time high. And here's the retest. This is all I see. Okay? Break of support and resistance. Keep it simple. Now, maybe if you do end up coming down to maybe $58,000, we could actually see Bitcoin trolling down to maybe even $50,000. Who knows? Okay, or just make a quick drop like this in a fake out and go to the upside. I'm not very sure. This could be there's room for that manipulation as well. But manipulation could also be a good entry. So if they do try to make some manipulation, maybe that's your entry as well. Now the thing is, another thing is that EMAs, okay, the 20 EMAs is now very strong. Remember here when you had your move up, you came to the 10, nearly touched the 20, and then you moved up, you touched the 10, went up, you're coming down, you're still maintaining the 20. All right, so the uptrend is still maintained, it's not destroyed, it doesn't have problem. Perhaps if we do see the loss of the 10 and the 20 and the bear cross, that's when it's safe to say 55 is going to be the next place, and that is almost like 59,000 or 58,000 dollar department. And that's all for the video, just a quick one, and I'm going to see you the next one in the office.